What's up, YouTube? We're working on a 16 Ford Escape, and the passenger exterior handle, this was missing this piece and this piece. So here's what you're going to do. Slide your car, there's an access hole, and there's your Torx bit. Okay, so this is the inside base, and there's your Torx bit. All right, so what happens is you're going to take this and you're going to just unscrew it. So that's counterclockwise. We'll slide this mechanism right here, the brass color, all the way back into here. Don't go too crazy or you'll break it. That will release this. This will slide right out. Be careful not to lose the gasket, so slide this out. If you're missing that, make sure you have a gasket. Then once this is off, you can slide the door handle out. If it's missing, then you don't need to do anything. You're gonna just slide a new door handle back in. Make sure it's in this piece right here. You can see through the door, so that's actually what the door handle right there. See that piece where my finger's at? That's what the door handle actually pulls on. Now, sometimes I've seen people bust this also. On this car, it wasn't, so the interior bracket's still good. So once you have that slid into the door and into this piece, check it to make sure there's resistance on it, and then it pulls back. That would indicate that you're in the inner bracket. Make sure your gaskets are still there. Make sure your gasket's here. Put this piece back in, and then crank this Torx bit all the way in. And remember, don't over tighten it or you'll break it. What does this say this is? It says Dick on it. Probably a T25 is my guess. But just so you know, it's a Torx bit. You're gonna need a long one. Harbor Freight stocks this stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching.